going to show you around this 2010 60 plate Volkswagen Transporter. It's the top of the range model, 180 PS, long wheelbase Kombi conversion, 6 seats, full styling pack to it, along with 19-inch wheels and lowering springs. See the front spoiler, upgrade headlights, and Sportline grille. For a 9-year-old vehicle, this is in super condition. Barely just a few stone chips on the front there. Can't even point them out in the video to you. Front bumper all in very nice order. As you can see down the lines, there's no nasty dents there. Very straight vehicle. Gloss black BBS alloys. It's also got the Heco wind deflectors fitted and privacy glass to the rear. This one's been upgraded with a full leather interior. And also benefits from factory satellite navigation, Bluetooth telephone system, heated front seats and air conditioning. It's the 6-speed manual, say 180 PS. So it's the bi-turbo model. It's been reworked in the rear by Wessex Fans, a well-renowned outfit for converting these transporters. So it had a genuine Volkswagen rear triple fitted. Again, black leather with white contrast stitching around the edge. It's been fully carpet lined in the rear, including the ceiling. And this one does actually benefit from a full-size bed in the rear, which I'll show you in just a tick. So we'll just carry on round the outside of the vehicle so I can show you the condition it's in. It's got these lovely gloss black sidebars also. It's got the desirable rear tailgate and it's not glazed either, so far better for security. No window that anybody can smash or look in through. Rear parking sensors and a carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector. Now this is the interesting bit. As you can see, it's got a carpeted floor, but it's also got a full fold out bed system, so you can still store anything you want underneath here. Got the bed frame on here, and then going across, the triple seat folds down, and the further bit here also pushes out onto the back of the rear seats, creating full width and full length double bed. Moving down the driver's side, again, as you can see, paintwork very good. And really doesn't look like a vehicle of its age ought to, I suppose, especially a transporter, as they do get used. This one's been very well cared for. Twin sliding doors, always a nice bonus. This one's also got power folding mirrors and a multifunction steering wheel. Mileage today, 65,606. It's got a full service history, only recently being serviced a few months ago. So it's a long wheelbase, BiTDi, low mileage for the year at 65,000, full size bed and 6 leather seats. Finance and part exchange facilities are available. If you'd like to discuss the vehicle with us, please do give us a call on the number on the advert.